I would like to welcome you to Nurturing the Inner Garden, the seminar and workshop organized by the College of Vedic Studies. This is scheduled for October 12th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Krishna Temple, Zürich. The heart is described in several Vedic wisdom literatures as being the seat, epicenter for all our activities and existence. The heart is also often compared to a garden. So what you plant or what you sow in the garden of the heart reflects and determines the life you lead. So the heart space is actually an important subject matter. In this seminar and workshop, Nurturing the Inner Garden, that is exactly what we do. We nourish and nurture the inner garden through some powerful tools. Firstly, we discuss about the tool of introspection and the power of introspection. On a personal level, this has been a transformational experience for me when I learned to use the tool of introspection correctly. The tool of introspection can add value to our lives and can have multidimensional transformational changes for our heart. This would further also help us deepen the connection with divine. And interestingly, as soon as you delve into this matter of the relationship with the divine, and as soon as you work with your connection with the divine, you will begin to notice how relationships begin to change, the relationship you have with yourself and with the others. So we will also discuss the 7 steps of relationship building, which is also quite fascinating. And we would end our discussion with a very sensitive topic of dealing with challenges in life, whether it's on an internal level or external level, and also the power of vulnerability and seeking support during these challenging times. So please come join us in this journey. And as you know, the courses that I offer, I often like to call them journeys, because I feel on this path of transformation, on this path of wisdom, learning and growing together can not only impact us on an individual level, but as a community. So please come join us in nurturing the inner garden of our heart.